Number six. You've been doing number six for a while. You just didn't know it. I just gave it the fancy name that it is. It's the empirical rule. So to do the empirical rule, you take the mean minus the standard deviation. Okay, that's the lower boundary. Then you take the mean and you add the standard deviation. That's the upper boundary of the first standard deviation. We can say that data that lies between one mean minus the standard deviation and mean plus one standard deviation. We can say that now, we can say that's 9.7 to 42.3 because we're talking about the weight. All right, and since I'm lazy, I'm going to copy and paste. So if we multiply that out, that's the lower boundary for the next empirical rule value, and that's the upper boundary. So don't freak out. Some of these will be negative because this is not truly normally distributed data. All right, so we're basically trying to say that this mean lies between two standard deviations within the mean. All right, and okay, we're at negative, so that's troubling to some of us, including me. And 58.6. Okay, that's still, our data still lies within that. Okay, now we're going to get the last one done. The last one, if we change the 2 to a 3, and this 2 to a 3, we get the last set of data. All right, so in the final case, we can take, I'm just trying to find the boundaries of it. And we found out that this was negative 22.9 and that this was 74.9. Okay, now later on we're going to find out that this means that 68% approximately of data lies within there. And then we're going to find out that approximately 95% of data lies within there if it was normally distributed. And we're going to find out that 99.7% of data lies within there. Okay, that in a nutshell is the empirical rule, or tells us the answer to number six. So the answer to number six we're basically, that's within one standard deviation, that's within two standard deviations, and that's within three standard deviations. All right, thank you for watching.